Hello, good evening. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to work on how to transfer money from your Moneypoint account to another bank. Let's say UBA, Access, Zenith, or even to another Moneypoint account. So first of all, you want to visit the web address, the atm.moneypoint.com. Now when you have visited there, you input your username, you log in with your password. Now when you log in, you visit your business account. These are my two business accounts, so I'm working on King Exchange 2. Now before we proceed, please look below this video. You see a subscribe button. Click on subscribe to this video, give us a thumbs up, like the video, and you can share this video. Okay, now we are inside our portal. Now you can see a transfer here. You can see buy airtime here, you can see pay bills, but we are not going to use this transfer here. So what you're going to do is look at that three lines by the top left, click on it. Now when you click on it, click on transfers. Click on transfer. So now the transfer has loaded. These are my previous transfers. So let's initiate a new transfer. Now look at this plus sign, plus new instant transfer. Click on the plus new instant transfer. Okay, these are my beneficiaries, people I've sent money to before. So now let's send money to a general account. Now let me send money to my Zenith Bank account. Now, or to any account rather, or let's send money to my OPay account. Okay, now enter the account number. Okay, when you've entered that, you scroll down, it will show you when you enter the bank. Now it will take you to where you select the bank. Now OPay is not here. You click on view all banks. And now let's go down to OPay. See OPay here. Next, beneficiary not found. Okay, they can't find my account on OPay. Let me use my Zenith account. Okay, let me use somebody's Zenith now. Okay, now we select Zenith Bank and wait for the outcome. You can see the name there. You can choose to add as beneficiary. Now let me click on confirm. Now how much would I like to send to this person? Let's say I would like to send 15,000 or 20,000. You can see the drop down. Let me just click on this 20,000. Now if you are still with me on this video, please click on the subscribe button, click on the like button. If you have any question, you can ask me any question with the comment section below. Now enter narration. You can write for food or for anything you like. Now next thing is click on proceed. You can see the summary, 20,000 naira. The fee is 20 naira. Then the beneficiary that will receive it. Now click on proceed. Now enter your transaction pin. If you have a transaction pin, you put it in. Now let me input my transaction pin. Now I don't want to send this money to this user because this is just a tutorial video, but I hope you understand all I've explained here on how to transfer money to other banks from your Moneypoint account, not Moneypoint POS. I will still do a video on how to transfer money to your Moneypoint POS with your Moneypoint POS. So thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and also share this video. Thank you a lot.